Hello everybody, welcome again in TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget reviews. Today I'm going to show you the best and affordable combo pack of keyboard and mouse that can pair with Android, Mac and as well as Windows. So let's check it out. Here's the box of the iVoomi ZOOX keyboard and mouse combo. As you can see, the packaging is quite simple and it mentions some key features like plug and play, USB connection and compatibility with Windows, Mac and as well as Android. Here you can see how to pair, some instructions there, and it is a wireless technology, wireless mouse, and it comes with the two battery cells, the resolution up to 1600 dpi with DPI button. Yeah, the packaging is quite, and it's noiseless click mouse. So let's check it out, guys. Oh, guys, look at this keyboard. What a portable and premium looked. Nice. And our mouse. So let's look at the keyboard first. So it is a small size of keyboard with all standard keys, but it does not include any number pad, but it's okay. The build quality feels very decent and it's a premium look for this price. The keys are very soft and not too noisy, which is great for typing. And you can see on the back, here is the on off button and here is the connect indicator, and we have to insert here battery cells, and it comes with a USB receiver. Now let's look at the mouse. It's a basic optical mouse with a 1 DPI button and a scroll wheel. The design is simple and comfortable for everyday use. The mouse is a wireless mouse. It's plug and play, so no software is needed. On the back, it is used by battery cell, and here is the on off button and it's the on off indicator. So let's connect this both and test how they work. So guys, I have connected the keyboard and mouse to my laptop, so they both started working instantly, so no setup required. I am typing a few lines to test the keyboard, so let's see. So the keyboard is quite responsive and very smooth typing. The mouse control is quite responsive. I can scroll very smoothly. Yeah. So overall, this mouse is smooth, responsive, and click sound is soft. It works well for daily tasks and casual use. The quality is okay, so it is suitable for daily use. So overall, this iVoomi ZOOX keyboard, the mouse and the combo is a good budget option. It's perfect for students, home user, or anyone who wants a basic setup for everyday use. It's not suitable for high editing and gaming purpose, guys. It is okay, the quality is okay, and it's better performance. If you're looking for something simple and affordable, this combo can be a good choice. So thanks for watching this unboxing and review video on TechnoWaves. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to the TechnoWaves channel.